Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your account in Veed.io. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to Veed.io, and if you are logged into your account, you can see your profile on the right hand side of your screen. Click on your account or your profile section and you can see this logout option. If you click logout, you will be logged out of your Veed.io account. So it's quite simple. Let me show it to you once again. Let me show it to you by logging into my account and then logging out for you. Go ahead and log into your account, and as soon as you are logged into your account, you can see on the right hand side the profile option. Click on the profile and you can see logout. Click on logout and then you will be logged out of your Veed.io account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.